In this exercise, you learn how clauses relate to each other. Make sure, as always, that you read the exercise description first. There are basically 3 clause categories that you have to be able to identify. You need to know, is the clause that you're reading an independent clause, or is it a dependent clause? If it's a dependent clause, you need to differentiate between that dependent clause functioning as a relative or attributive clause, or whether that dependent clause functions as a direct object clause. Again, when it comes to definitions, make sure that you consult the syntax document of the Old Testament department. In this case, "and Lot sitting in the gate of Sodom," well, this is an independent clause. Check answer. Very good. Next. "And wash your feet." Well, obviously, this is an independent clause. Dependent clauses have a clear opening that signifies that they are dependent. Ayeh anashim, asher, so ayeh anashim, where are the men? Again, this is an independent clause. Check answer. Very good. And the next clause is the asher clause. Asher, who came to you by night? Obviously, the asher clause opens a dependent clause, so now we have 2 options. Is it a dependent clause that functions as a relative clause, or is it a dependent clause that functions as a direct object clause? Well, in this case, there is no verb that requires a direct object. That is not provided, so the asher clearly marks this as a relative or attributive clause. Check answer. Very good.